January 18, 2021, the official teaser site for the full new design version of the Honda New Vezel will be opened from the official Honda, and it will be revealed that the online world premiere will be held at 12:30 p.m. on February 18, 2021. On the other hand, the Vezel, foreign name, HR-V, which was sold for the North American market, will also meet new needs. The next model sold in the United States and Canada will be a version of the same, different from the New Vezel sold in the Japanese market. Like the North American version of the Odyssey, it is expected with a different interior and exterior design, will emerge as a successor to the HR-V model, not as a full model change. It will be designed to meet customer needs in the North American market, and will be very different from the HR-V. Development of vehicles that may be a spy shot. Different designs of development vehicles, which have been marketed in the Japanese and European markets. Development for the Canadian and American markets will, tailored to customer needs. Canada and America will likely different from the Japanese version of the Honda Vezel. The front will have unextruded appearance, strong like the new Odyssey, while the rear Honda HR-V, like the rear model of the Toyota Harrier, more sophisticated than its predecessors. As for the basic body size, in total wheelbase does not change, for the interior is also changing. 9-inch Honda connected navigation system, CarPlay and Android Auto will be available. Currently, the name that registered Honda as a trademark is ZR-V. However, this model is planned to appear as Honda's fifth compact SUV. Regarding powertrain for the Japanese market, there are a total of 4 grades, 1 type of gasoline engine grade, grade G, and 3 types of 1.5L plus dual hybrid motor have XZ Play. Seems to be a successor model to the HR-V for the North American market. Will also be of 2 types, gasoline and hybrid, but it is unclear whether the same powertrain will adopt. Competitive models and prices, still a mystery. In addition to the panoramic glass roof for the rear seats, New Vezel with 2 premium colors, Sunshine Pearl White X Black, which is also used in the new Fit 4, and Box. Let's just wait for the Honda HR-V Vezel launcher on February 18, 2021.